I wonder if the space between us is like the raindrops, slipping into an undefinable space between itself, ourself, yourself, like a shadow. Where do shadows come from? Can shadows have shadows? Are we each other's shadow? Penumbra. Let the raindrops dissipate. Let the shadows dissipate into our penumbra. Astronomy. The partial or imperfect shadow outside the complete shadow of an opaque body as a planet, where the light from the source of illumination is only partly cut off. The grayish marginal portion of a sunspot. But this definition of penumbra is my favorite. A shadowy, indefinite, or marginal area. Indefinite, infinite. I feel a kinship to the rain. Wet, cleansing. But how can I be clean and wet, within and without penumbra? One drop glides into the other. It's like they don't care if they fuse or not. It's all water. We're all water. But I can feel the space between us slipping into each other. The rain.